आइए सीखते हैं कुछ फ्रेजल वर्ड्स। एट 6 एंड 7 मीन्स इन डिसऑर्डर, अर्थात बेतरतीब। हिज सन्स लेफ्ट ऑल माई बुक्स एट 6 एंड 7। एट daggers drawn मीन्स ओपन एनिमिटी, अर्थात घोर शत्रुता। राणा प्रताप एंड अकबर वर एट daggers drawn with each other. A bed of roses means quite comfortable, अर्थात फूलों की सेज। The post of the principal is not a bed of roses. All Greek and Latin means very difficult to understand, अर्थात बहुत कठिन। Kids poetry is all Greek and Latin to the students. At home in means well versed in, अर्थात दक्ष। और इसका यूज है रवि इज एट होम इन हिंदी। अ गुड डील ऑफ मीन्स वेरी मच, अर्थात अत्यधिक। रोज gave him a great deal of money to live in luxury. Bag and baggage means with all belongings, अर्थात बिस्तर बोरिए के साथ। He went to Lucknow, bag and baggage. Birds of a feather means people of the same nature, अर्थात एक ही स्वभाव के व्यक्ति। Birds of a feather flock together. Bread and butter means livelihood, अर्थात जीविका। Everyone is after bread and butter in life. Black sheep means undesirable member of a group, अर्थात कुल कलंक। Tom was a black sheep of his family. Black and white, it means in writing, अर्थात लिखित रूप से। He assured me in black and white. Bring home, it means to explain, अर्थात समझाना। She can bring home the matter related to me. Castles in the air means visionary schemes, अर्थात हवाई किले बनाना। To build castles in the air is to waste time. Call names means to abuse, अर्थात गाली देना। Call names is a bad habit. Die in harness means to die while on duty, अर्थात कर्तव्य करते हुए मरना। Many soldiers die in harness in the battlefield. Dark horse means one who does well unexpectedly, अर्थात अचानक अच्छा प्रदर्शन करने वाला. A dark horse always surprises to others. Fair and square means just, अर्थात ईमानदार. My friend is fair and square in all in my life. Flesh and blood means humankind, अर्थात मनुष्य. No flesh and blood can bear insults. Get rid of means be free from, अर्थात छुटकारा पाना. Man wants to get rid of his problems. Get over means overcome, अर्थात सफल होना. The laborious get over success in life. Go through means read, अर्थात पढ़ना. He has gone through the book. Hard and fast means strict, अर्थात कठोर. Hard and fast rules in life make a man successful. In quest of means in search of, अर्थात खोज में. Man wanders about the world in quest of money. In affix means unable to decide one or other, अर्थात दुविधा में. She is in affix, so she looks in worry. In vogue means in practice, अर्थात चलन में. All the ancient cultures are not in vogue. Ins and outs, अर्थात full details means पूर्ण विवरण. Man is unknown the ins and outs of his life. In spite of means despite, अर्थात बावजूद. In spite of his hard work, Ravi failed in exam. In a nutshell means briefly, अर्थात संक्षेप में. Describe the matter in a nutshell. In lieu of means in place of, अर्थात स्थान पर. He was selected monitor of the class in lieu of Madan. Kith and kin means relatives, अर्थात संबंधी. We should have respect for our kith and kin. Lion's share means the largest share, अर्थात सबसे बड़ा भाग. Who does not want the lion's share? Loaves and fishes means material gains, अर्थात भौतिक लाभ. Most of the people run after loaves and bread. Long and short means substance, अर्थात सारांश. The long and short of his speech is that no one is happy in this world. Man of straw means mean person, अर्थात तुच्छ व्यक्ति. Man of straw is not responsible. Maiden speech means first speech, अर्थात प्रथम भाषण. The Prime Minister made his maiden speech in the function. Man of letters means a scholar, अर्थात विद्वान. Vivekanand was a man of letters. Null and void means ineffective, अर्थात प्रभावशाली. His advice proved null and void to me. Narrow escape, a hair's breadth escape, अर्थात बाल बाल बचना. Ravi had a narrow escape in the accident. Over and above means in addition to, अर्थात अतिरिक्त. I paid him 10 rupees over and above what I had to pay him. Off and on means now and then, अर्थात कभी कभी. He comes to me off and on. Out of sorts means feeling unwell, अर्थात अस्वस्थ होना. I am feeling out of sorts. Part and parcel means an ancient part, अर्थात आवश्यक अंग. Kashmir is part and parcel of India. Pros and cons means arguments for and against, दोनों पहलू. We should always think pros and cons of the matter. Postmaster means expert, अर्थात दक्ष. He is a past master in physics. Root and branch means completely, अर्थात पूर्णतया. The robbers destroyed the village. root and branch. Red letter day means an important day, अर्थात महत्वपूर्ण दिन. The 26th January 1950 is a red letter day in the history of India. Square deal means a fair bargain, अर्थात अच्छा व्यवहार. The selfish never have a square deal. Spick and span means neat and clean, अर्थात साफ सुथरा. Spick and span earth is necessary for healthy atmosphere. Snake in the grass means a hidden enemy, अर्थात आस्तीन का सांप. The shellfish are snake in the grass. Sum and substance means gist, अर्थात सारांश. Write the sum and substance of this passage. Square deal means plenty of good food, अर्थात पूर्ण भोजन. A square meal is necessary for good health. Summer friends means friends of happy days, अर्थात खुशहाली के मित्र. We should never depend upon summer friends. Time and tide means course of time, अर्थात समय की गति. Time and tide wait for none. Tooth and nail means very fiercely, अर्थात बड़ी भयंकरता से. He fought tooth and nail against his enemy. To and fro means here and there, अर्थात इधर उधर. He was walking to and fro in the street. Take to task means to punish, अर्थात दंड देना. Take him to task for his mistake. Through and through means completely, अर्थात पूर्णतया. He was wet in the rain through and through. Ups and downs means rise and fall, अर्थात उतार चढ़ाव. I have seen many ups and downs in my life. Utopian scheme means visionary scheme, अर्थात हवाई किले. Utopian scheme is troublesome. Wild goose chase means a fruitless attempt, अर्थात निष्फल प्रयास. It was his wild goose chase to attract me. White elephant means very expensive but a pauper. Means बहुत खर्चीला लेकिन कम महत्व की. A car is white elephant for a middle class family. Win laurels means to get honor अर्थात सम्मान प्राप्त करना. Monk wins laurels in his peace efforts. Wheel and O means prosperity and adversity अर्थात सुख दुख. Brave men test both the aspects wheel and O. Wax and wane means increase and decrease घटना बढ़ना. The moon waxes and wanes fortnightly. With zest and zeal means with great fervor अर्थात पूर्ण जोश के साथ. Ambitious men do the work with zest and zeal. With a view to means purpose अर्थात उद्देश्य से. Ram went to Ceylon with a view to seeking Sita there. Wet blanket means one who checks enjoyment अर्थात खुशी को कम करने वाला व्यक्ति. The wicked always proves himself a wet blanket. Act for means deputy अर्थात किसी के स्थान पर कार्य करना. Vice president acts for the president who was on leave. Backup means support अर्थात समर्थन करना. A friend backs up his friend in his troubles. Bear with means tolerate अर्थात सहन करना. No one can bear with her abuses. Break into means steal through back door अर्थात सेंध लगाना. A thief broke into his house. Bring up means look after अर्थात पालन करना. Children are brought up by parents. Bring out means publish अर्थात प्रकाशित करना. Gloria sir has brought out a number of books. Call on means to pay a short visit अर्थात किसी से मिलना. I should like to call on you tomorrow. Come across means meet by chance अर्थात अचानक मिलना. She came across me near the park. Come over means to overspread अर्थात छा जाना. Seeing the ghost, a great fear came over the face of Timid. Fall in means to take place in the rank अर्थात लाइन में लग जाना. The captain ordered his men to fall in at once. Get about means to loiter अर्थात इधर उधर घूमना. Useless persons get about the whole day. Get along means to be friendly अर्थात मित्रवत होना. Ravi and Suresh should get along in their relations. Get through means attain success अर्थात पास होना. He got through the examination. Give in means to yield अर्थात झुकना. He would give in under pressure. Go off means be discharged अर्थात छूटना. The gun went off and the man was injured. Go into means examine अर्थात जांच करना. Go into the matter personally. Go through means tolerate सहना. Man goes through many difficulties. Go ahead means to advance अर्थात आगे बढ़ना. Go ahead in life to get success. Hold on means continue अर्थात न छोड़ना. He should hold on to his property. Keep up means maintain अर्थात बनाए रखना. Try to keep up your reputation. Keep down means to control अर्थात नियंत्रण में रखना. We should keep down false anger. Lay aside means to save अर्थात बचाना. We should lay aside some money for emergency. Look after means to watch अर्थात देखभाल करना. I shall look after you. Look into means heed अर्थात ध्यान देना. The principal looked into the case and solved it. Look through means to revise अर्थात दोहराना. A good lawyer looks through the case before arguing in the court. Let off means to excuse अर्थात क्षमा करना. The manager let off the peon with a warning. Put off means postpone अर्थात स्थगित करना. The meeting was put off for want of quorum. Put out means extinguish अर्थात बुझाना. The fire was put out by me. Pull down means destroy अर्थात गिराना. The bulldozer pull down the old houses. Set up means commence अर्थात व्यापार आरंभ करना. He has set up his business in textile. Stand for means plead अर्थात पक्ष लेना. I stand for peace. Thanks for watching.